Today we're going to start working on a bedroom closet.
We have two of them that are just reach-in closets, they're called, I believe. So we're just kind of going to wing it for the size and go from there.
Yep. Keep going.
How do you do it? How does it do it?
Okay, it's going to be super loud. Ready? There we go. We'll give this a go. We might have to work on it. Going up into the feeder, goes up into the auger, and then it starts plunging. Keep watching, start seeing bales coming through here.
These are hay bales, not straw, but we're just testing things out and we're getting excited. So today we are going to work on our pantry, frame it out. We just kind of got the layout all figured out of how big we want to make it, and we're just trying to figure out all our cabinets too, how it's all going to work. And we have one more closet upstairs to do, since it took us like 2 hours the other night to do one closet.
Yeah. So then after this evening, we're going to go check out our straw.
Yep.
Our straw field.
Our flax fields.
Yep.
That will be baling up.
And then this weekend, hopefully, we finish up and we're ready for bales, basically.
Yes,
Hopefully.
that's our goal, is just to get everything ready to bring bales in a couple weeks.
Yep.
Getting kind of nervous. We're still waiting on our tin to show up, which will be another
2 weeks yet.
2 more weeks for that to come. We're
So-
getting kind of on a time crunch now. We need to get plaster up before cold weather hits here.
Yep.
And our earth and flooring too before cold weather hits.
Yep. 9/16.
Think we're good? Think we got
We'll
it?
screw this.
We use screws around here because we tend to take things out quite often.
we realized we put the bottom plates on completely backwards. One whole day to get our whole pantry up. So I don't know how much editing of this video I will be showing you guys, but probably don't take any advice from us when it comes to this because we didn't know how to do all the angles and everything. So I think it would be kind of cool if put some glass bottles in right here or here. Yesterday you got to see us build our pantry. It actually took us all day long to get that figured out. All the angles and everything just was really throwing us off. We were struggling with that. But we got it done and today's a new day. We just still need to finish tying up loose ends. We are going to add our interior toe-ups all the way around on our lower main floor here. So we will be drilling into our concrete and installing them. And then also we have to finish framing out our doors up in our loft, and maybe another closet up there. We'll also see what we can all get done today before we do our toe-up. So we want to really clean in here, get everything picked up, swept really good, get all the sawdust out of here, because once those toe-ups come in, then there's going to be a lot of nooks and crevices for dirt and all that to get into. Think you could help us do that? You girls should know what flax is.
Because this Mom's house.
And they're going to combine it, and then when they're done combining it, we'll come in and bale it up. What's left? The straw of it. Yep, once it's dried.
This is hard.
Hey, time to start working on our toe-ups. So whenever we come to a doorway here, we make our 45-degree angle is what we're going with for our toe-ups. And that's so that we can have rounded doorways. We're probably gonna have to cut off these 2x6 trimmers. We made that mistake. We believe we should have just went with 2x4 trimmers around our door. That way we can round it out and you just wrap it, giving it a curved look once the plaster comes on. Our last board to go in. Tight up there, we have to cut the studs down a little bit, another less than a quarter of an inch shorter. Too tight again? Let's try for round 3.